Welcome back to Simple Trends. If you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I would love to hear your comments and feedback. Do mention in the comment section below. Check the description box for the ingredient list. With rains on and off and a change in climate, it is most important to protect us from common cold or cough for the fear it brings in now. We will make a kashayam powder which can be stored for a few months. This has been very effective for cold, cough and sore throat, and we have been using this remedy at home for many years. Now let's get on to the ingredients and measurements. All the ingredients used in this are easily available in any local Ayurveda stores or Siddha stores or the ones which sell puja items. The local Nattu Marundu Kadai will also have the ingredients. I have used 50 grams of Adimaduram or licorice. It gets its name Adimaduram from its taste. Adi means most and Maduram means sweet. So it gets the name most sweetest, Adimaduram. It is a medicinal herb very effective for cough and cold. Chewing on a small piece of Adimaduram is an age-old remedy for sore throat. The next is 50 grams of Arisi Tippali or the long pepper or Pippali. It is also very effective for respiratory problems like asthma and reduces the phlegm from the throat and chest. The next one is 50 grams of Kandan Tippali. It helps to cure cold, soothes cough and also helps with digestion and stomach troubles. It also relieves body pain. Making a rasam out of Kandan Tippali is a home remedy for body pain and cold. The next one is 50 grams of Val Milagu or tailed pepper, or it is also called Java pepper. It gets this name as these peppercorns are not round and have a small tail. It is not the usual pepper we use for our rasam and pongal. This is more spicy than the regular one and is an excellent remedy for cough and cold. It has antiseptic, anti-flatulent and expectorant properties. It is said that many Carnatic vocalists drink water infused with Adimaduram and Val Milagu to protect their voice. The next is 50 grams of Sittarathai, or it is also called Kulanjan in Hindi. It has the ability to treat all cold related problems like sore throat, cough and chest congestion. It has antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. The next is 5 grams of Sadakuppai or Dil seeds. It is used as a medicine for respiratory and stomach disorders. The last one is 5 grams of Ajwain or Omam. All of us are aware of the excellent medicinal properties of Ajwain. Dry all these in the sun for a couple of days. Cover with a cloth while you dry it so that there is no dust or any other pollutants falling on it. And make a powder of it. Store it in an airtight glass container. You can make this powder in a mixer jar. Just crush the bigger pieces with a pestle to avoid spoiling the mixer jar. Now let's see how to make this kashayam. Take 2 teaspoons of the powder and add it to 400 ml of water. Boil till the water reduces to half. Now filter and drink it hot or warm. We can have around 50 ml of this. I have made this for 4 people. So I have added 2 teaspoons in 400 ml. You can reduce or increase it according to the number of people who want to consume it. It can be had at any time of the day, but preferably in the morning. It has a mild sweet taste due to the addition of Adimaduram. For symptoms of cold and cough, it can be had once a day for a few days. As a protection, it can be taken once in a week or once in 10 days. While adults can have around 30 ml of this kashayam, children above the age of 3 can have 10 to 15 ml of this. We can resort to home remedies before rushing for stronger medicines if the symptoms are less. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe to Simple Trends and hit the bell icon to get instant updates on our new videos. Your feedback and comments are important to us. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye.